What's up, guys? Hey, what's up? Today, guess what we got? We got that fresh trout. And I know sometimes people like to take the skin off, but I like the skin to stay on. Hey, how you guys doing today? Hey, I hope you're loving yourself, because remember, nobody can love you like you can love yourself. Hey, we got this skillet fried trout today. We're going to go with that and see what we come up with. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead. I got a little Old Bay seasoning here. I'm going to go ahead and season it a little bit with the Old Bay. A little of that Old Bay on there. How many of you guys use Old Bay? Do you like Old Bay? Yeah, I like it for seasoning fish. So we're just going to season it with a little bit of that Old Bay. Rub it in there. How's you guys' day going? You know they say the best thing in life is free. And guess what else is free? It don't cost you nothing to hit that like button. It's free. So that's one of the best things in life. Hit that like button. I'm trying to hit an auto rhythm so we can get this channel growing. Any of you guys walk today? Did you guys walk today? Gotta make sure we do something for ourselves. Leave in that comment what you did for yourself today, okay? So like I said, we put a little Old Bay on there. Old Bay seasoning. Yeah, I'm gonna move that out of the way. Of course, I'm gonna change my gloves. We're gonna go ahead and bring our buddy, bring our hot pan and let's get that heated up. While that's heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and change gloves. You know I don't play about my gloves. You know I don't play about my cleanliness. Shoot. Man. Fresh pair of gloves. Okay, and that skillet, we're gonna go ahead and I got some olive oil. So I'm just gonna spread a little olive oil around in that skillet a little bit. Just a little bit. You know. We cooking with that cast iron skillet. Cast iron. We're gonna make sure that flavor's good. Let that get heated up for us. Yeah. How is you guys' week going? You guys having a good week? I know I am. I'm having a good day too. Because you know what? Every day we wake up, we got to be grateful, man. Something's bothering you, something's worrying you. Just think about all the good things in your life. Because guess what? If you didn't wake up, none of that even matters. So why are you worrying about it now? You're not even promised tomorrow. We're not promised tomorrow. So this could be your last day. You're going to have today. Are you going to be feeling angry? Are you going to feel mad? How you feeling? Look at that green. That thing, it just heats up so well. It almost scares me. It really heats up good. Turn that heat down just a little bit. Man, this thing heats up good. I'm ready to put my fish in already. And you see, let's go ahead and, what side are we going to put down first? Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and put it face down. Ooh, you hear that? You hear that sizzle? Ooh. You hear that sizzle? We got a special guest today. We have a special guest today. Take out those gloves. We can change my gloves again. I'll probably do that 5 or 6 times during this whole cooking session. Yeah, we got another special guest today. He's gonna try this fish for me. Let's see what we got. You know I'm the $10 man, y'all. That's what I spent on this, $10. And I end up getting, I got like three fillets. That's pretty good, man. 3 fillets. I had to turn that heat down a little, so. Oh yeah, it's getting brown already. It's getting brown already under there. Okay, so today, since it's getting a little brown already, today I got something special I'm gonna put on this fish. I'm gonna put something special on this fish. I got some garlic butter. I'm gonna tell you guys a little secret. A little garlic butter. If you guys are familiar with the restaurant Benihana's, okay, so if I'm going to Benihana's or if I know somebody's going there, what I do, I say, hey, can you bring me back a tub of the garlic butter? I love Benihana's garlic butter, and this is actually what I'm putting on here is Benihana's garlic butter. Yeah. Smells really good. Yep, you can get a whole tub like this for like $7. Don't tell them I told you though. Cause they'll be like, why is everybody buying our butter? Aunt Keith told us to come get some. And he was cooking some trout. And he put that garlic butter on that trout. And it was just looking good. It was looking delicious. Yep, that garlic butter on that trout was just looking delicious. Hope you guys are having just a wonderful day. I hope you guys are having the best day ever. I'm gonna let that cook. What's up, guys? I'm back. Hey, let's get ready to turn over this trout. Let's see what we got. Wow, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Wow, look how beautiful that is. Nice golden brown. And remember, I put that garlic butter on there. Ooh, we're going to let that. I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit and just let that soak in a little bit. Look at that. And that garlic butter. That skin side really is going to get that. The skin side is going to be beautiful, I'm telling you. Yeah. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that beautiful? Golden brown pan fried trout with the garlic butter from Benihana's. That tub of garlic butter, I'm telling you, I use it for everything. I even cook rice with it. I cook everything with it. I'm going to have to give you guys a fried rice recipe. Cooks that for you too. I got you that coming. This is it. If it's anything you guys want me to cook, leave it in the comments. I had a guy hit me. He was like, man, what's going on with that catfish? And I got that for him too. But yeah, you guys, I really appreciate you guys. And cooking is love. Cooking is also therapy for me. You know, and if you're not in a good mood, don't cook. Because, you know, it will show on your food. Yeah, that's beautiful, guys, isn't it? And the sizzle. Listen to that sizzle. Nice golden brown. I got that iron skillet, as you can see, that seasoned iron skillet. I'm cooking this on the New Wave Pit Gold plate. And this seasoning is hooking it up. How you guys like your trout? Give me some ideas. Leave me some comments. What's up, guys? I'm back. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over. Let's see how that skin side's looking. Woo, look at that. Woo, okay. Turn the fire down just a little bit and let it slow cook the rest of the way. Look at that. That Old Bay darkened up on there a little bit. Got my wire pan ready. We almost ready to go now. Almost ready. Turn it up a little more. Around a little more, we're ready to go. That's the skin side. It turned out pretty good, didn't it? Think I should rub a little more garlic butter on there? Nah, I think we got enough. I think we got enough garlic butter. Go ahead. We're getting it on the rack. Go ahead and put it on the rack. Woo! Look at that. Go ahead and turn my stove off. Look at that, guys. Look at that beautiful skillet fried trout. What's up, guys? Like I told you, I got a guest coming over today to try out my food. And so I went ahead and put a little presentation for him together. That trout, just did it on a bed of greens and strawberry, and yeah, we're gonna let my guest today try it out and see what he thinks about it. There it is, pan fried trout. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything you're doing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for your likes. I really appreciate you guys. There's no me without you. Let's let our special guest try it today. All right. What's up, guys? I got my special guest in the house, Mr. Ooh, Mr. YUDDYGANGTV, that food connoisseur guy, and he's gonna tell me what's up with this trout.
Look pretty good though. Got this the skin baked on it too. Okay. Oh man.
Try to jump off the plane.
Man. Don't do me like that. Okay. All right. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's different. Oh yeah. With the skin. Oh yeah, that's fire. That's fire. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's fire. Be careful what y'all ask for. He's cooking. This is fire. This isn't fire. Make sure y'all get the recipe. Try it. Man, I need to get out of this kitchen. I love y'all. Ooh, ooh, ooh.